Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a rainbow screen. First, check all your display cables, ensuring they are firmly plugged in at both ends. A loose connection is a common culprit. Next, try a simple restart of your computer and monitor. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Finally, update your graphics card drivers to their newest version, as outdated drivers frequently cause display problems. If the problem persists, consider rolling back your graphics drivers to a previous stable version, especially if the rainbow screen appeared after a recent update. It's also wise to run a thorough scan for malware or viruses, as these can sometimes interfere with display functions. Additionally, try adjusting your display's resolution and refresh rate in your system settings to see if that makes a difference. Now, let's look at hardware. Test your computer with a different monitor and a new display cable to rule out external display issues. Carefully inspect your graphics card for any signs of physical damage or overheating, such as burnt components. Over time, dust can build up inside your computer, so cleaning out your PC case, especially around the graphics card, can improve airflow and prevent overheating. If all else fails, a complete operating system reinstallation might be necessary, though this is a more drastic step. For persistent hardware-related issues, especially after trying these solutions, it's best to consult a professional repair service. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose complex problems. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.